Hello everyone, welcome to Bandar Seri Begawan, also fondly known as Brunei. I'm now at the airport and just look behind me, a magnificent mosque right here at the doorstep of Brunei. Now I'm just going to take a local Grab, also known as DART, D-A-R-T. So yeah, going to first of all go to my hotel first, put down my luggage before heading out and explore more of this city. See you very shortly. Alright, just managed to get my DART. Yes, okay, so I think it's a BMW. Looking forward to taking that DART back to the city itself. Yeah, join me. Hello, Terrence here.
To Brunei Hotel, yeah?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.